This is a Salvatore Ferragamo Gancini demi-shoulder bag. It's fairly deformed. The total weight of the rolled handle, the flap, and the Gancini hardware caused the front of the bag to collapse. The leather is dry and has a lot of scratches and color loss from wear. The edge coating has mostly peeled off. The leather under the flap has some vertical wrinkles, which is an indication of the deterioration of the underlying support material. The inside is lined with an olive-colored cotton twill fabric. This bag was made in Italy with a model number DY214862. There's a large brownish stain at the bottom and various whitish marks. For the shape, I'll give it a score of 1 out of 5. We definitely need to address it. For the leather, a 3 out of 5. It can be improved by conditioning and color correction. Edge coat, a 1 out of 5. We can reapply the edge coat. The underflap lining wrinkles, most likely they will just be left alone. For the fabric lining, if we can remove the stains in the fabric, then we could possibly keep the original fabric lining. So let's get started. I am opening up the seam at the front of the bag so I can repair and reinforce the support structure at the front. Notice this metal strip that's added to provide structural support. And I got a little carried away and ended up removing the entire lining from the bag. You can clearly see the multiple stains that actually went through the entire lining. Under the leather flap lining is this brown cardboard-like material, which has a lot of stress and fracture marks from the constant opening and closing of the flap, which line up perfectly with the wrinkles in the leather flap lining. Here's a look at the bag completely disassembled. The bottom of the bag was a little wavery, so I decided to completely remake it. This was the original support material. And here's the new base with the feet already attached. Here I'm reapplying the edge coat on the rolled handles. Instead of trying to get the stains out of the fabric lining, I decided to remake the lining completely using genuine suede material. I also added a long front pocket. The support structure underneath the outer layer of the bag has also been completely remade from scratch. None of the old material was used. In essence, this bag was stripped down to just the leather and hardware and completely remade from scratch. With a ton of stitching, the bag is put back together. Here I'm treating scratches in the leather with tinted conditioner. There's a lot of color loss on the handles, and the leather there takes up the conditioner in no time. The structure of the bag has been completely restored. Leather conditioned, hardware polished. The marks in the leather at the front of the bag were due to the extended amount of time that the bag was folded onto itself, and hopefully with time they will work themselves out. After removing the fractured cardboard sublayer, the vertical wrinkles in the flap are gone. The bag is now lined with genuine suede. The pocket lining is remade with smooth leather. The newly added front pocket is big enough to fit a phone. So what do you think of this bag restoration? Feel free to leave any comments and suggestions. Until next time.